Soukanahde 7&8. Ja nasıl köhtyy tää Soukka. Soukka Espoo, staircase A. D90 70, it's 18835. Seventh floor. Six rows of 5 kilograms. This weather is quite rare or lightly because these are too big for 6 persons. This is big enough for 14 persons or at least 13. Probably sometimes even 15, I'm not sure, but in a new elevator, it's about 14 persons. It replaced the big 6 persons elevator. Inspected by Kone and maintained by Kone. There in Soukka there are also big famous elevators, but I have filmed most of them. I will film one of them probably later, or I don't know. So, strange. These are a bit bad condition because these were maintained by Tapio and Hissi before. So it was very bad maintenance. Let's hope that these are still not going to be modernized. That's